12 is results. In this step we run our results after we have done our data collection for our research paper. So let's see which results come under in your research papers. Let's see. The first test is which we run for result is frequency, which is run on demographic variables of your study such as gender, income, working experience, employer status, marital status, education. These all come under your demographics, and these are studied in frequency test. Then comes your descriptive statistics. Sorry for the spelling mistakes. Then the descriptive statistics shows your mean and standard deviation of your variables. Then comes your liability. It shows that how much your data is liable to use for your research. Then comes the correlation. It shows the variables relationship with each other. The variables can be your independent and dependent variables. Then comes your regression analysis. It shows the strength of your model and it is used to do your hypothesis testing. Then if you have a metadata, then you will use mediation analysis to see the mediation role of the mediator in your research model in your independent and dependent variable relationship. Plus you can also use mediation analysis tools. If you don't know about the tools, read any research book, you will find them easily. Then there is moderation analysis, which is used to see the moderation role in the research model, and you can also use moderation tools, which are so many. Okay, if you don't know about tools if you don't know moderation tools, then you can easily read from any book